Kawasaki made the KVF650 with a 40 horsepower V-twin, and popping the torque converter off the crank taper is not easy. Removing and replacing the belt can be done without disturbing either pulley. The rear pulley spreads by the inner sheave moving inwards, and if we can cause that to happen, the belt will come off easily. Using dishwashing liquid, we can lube the rear pulley and allow the belt to move deeper towards the centre, making it easier to take the belt off. Using a lever and this small ledge here in the casting, we can apply tension to the belt, and it pulls tight on the front pulley and pulls the belt deeper into the spreading rear pulley. It does no harm at all. This is normal operation for this torque converter, as this belt transmits 40 horsepower. As we pull the top run of the belt up, just make sure it doesn't foul on the casting, because the belt really needs to come as high as you possibly can and get it as deep as it will go into the rear pulley. When you've pulled the belt up as high as you can and pulled it as deep as you can into the rear pulley, keep the tension on the top run. This will give you enough slack on the top run of the belt to easily pull it off the rear pulley. Using dishwashing liquid, again, we make sure we put plenty of lube on the insides of both sides of the pulley. Now, putting the belt on the front pulley first, and fit it to the top of the rear pulley, push it down into the top of the groove as deep as you possibly can. While pushing the belt as deep as you can into the rear pulley with your left hand, carefully rotate it backwards. The front pulley rotating backwards will assist. Gently rotate the whole thing backwards. Bearing in mind you will hear a slight whirring, that's the sprag on the starter clutch, rotating the starter motor backwards, but it does no harm. Be careful on the bottom that the belt doesn't twist or get caught up in those little cutaways, and just gently rotate it backwards and manage the belt going deeper into the pulley and eventually being engaged completely in the groove. The new belt is now on, and be sure to clean up with water the lube on the belt and both pulleys. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.